Good afternoon, sir. How do you do? It's all ارامكو energy. There is no danger. It's all programmed. Turn left. Forward. Forward. Oil gas systems are wrong. Warning, warning. Herb steers. Herb steers. 5 seconds. Stick by. Herb steers. Roger. Systems are on. Zoom in. Zoom out. Attention. Attention. One step into a new energy world. Good afternoon, gentlemen. You're welcome. Bienvenue. Welcome. Welcome on this very special day during Eid. I am a speaking robot. My name is VREP. Inside of me is a computer, it's all programmed. But today, the human energy is very important. So, give me some human energy.
So, good afternoon, gentlemen. Hello. Yeah. Especially welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And you thinking what's happening now on this moment, gentlemen? My name is Nick, and you heard it from very close. I'm coming from the future. It's all programmed by the company. And you heard the sounds, because I make sounds with my voice. And all these sounds are real. I have no machines or whistles in my mouth. Everything is live. And you're thinking maybe that's impossible, but believe me, because gentlemen, here today by Aramco Overseas Company, we're speaking about the future, about the world, the oil and the gas, the services, the logistics. I take you with me into the past. We go 150 years ago to the harbors of Rotterdam. It was a time there was not enough oil for everybody. It was a time of the steam ships and the steam trains. Beautiful. A good old time. And also the beautiful ships here, the SS Rotterdam. It was a beautiful sound at that time. It was from it's all overseas. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, I take you with me. I take you with me into the train, into the wagon behind the steam train, and we're listening to the click of the railroad. We open the window. Yeah, a different time. The history. But the world has changed now, ladies and gentlemen. The world has changed now. Because of course, we have oil and gas and we have electricity. So when you're now standing on a big train station here in Rotterdam and you're waiting for the intercity, you hear this. wachten, er kan nog een trein komen. That was their city, yeah. And of course, gentlemen, Aramco changed the world also. In a world of oil and gas, and it's so important. I mean, when you're standing here by the highways in the Netherlands, and you're listening very good, you hear this. BMW and a scooter, eh? But now, on this time, ladies and gentlemen, in a world of oil, that was the CEO, eh? Harley Davidson, or this one. It's a hybrid Toyota. Gentlemen, the world is changing. And now it's so nice to be here all together here today. With a lot of people from everywhere here from the Netherlands. Okay, can I ask where you come from?
From Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia? And you live here in the Netherlands, or?
Yes, in Maastricht.
In Maastricht, or you're a student? I think you're a man. I think I see it in your eyes. You drive a very luxurious car. Can I ask what for a car you have, sir?
I have Lexus.
You have?
What?
What you have? And what for a car?
Lexus.
A Lexus, of course. It's a beautiful car. I mean, the Lexus had a button in the door for the electric window. Pussycat of the neighbors. I have a big surprise for you, sir. I have a big surprise here on this very special day here on this ship. Can I ask what is your first name?
Velas.
Velas. It's a beautiful name, Velas. Because, Velas, you passing us here today with a lot of gas oil inside, Velas. It's not in a Lexus. No. It's going with a speed of 200 miles in an hour, Velas. In a Lamborghini Diablo. And for the people who don't see the face of Velas now, he's laughing from ear to ear. Velas, do you like to drive in a Lamborghini?
I wouldn't mind at all.
Okay, then you could come on stage. A big hand for Velas! Velas, come on! Beautiful! Velas, you study in Maastricht. Can I ask what for a study you do in Maastricht?
Medicine.
A medicine? What is for you the most beautiful sound of a medicine study?
What do you mean?
The sound of your study.
Hard.
I can mean when you walk in the hospital and
Oh.
Hij is stutterd, hè? No, beautiful sound. Now, I think interaction in your medicine study and in all of the world and also by this company, interaction, gentlemen, is the most important thing in the world. So in the front, here is standing for you the Lamborghini. It's time for some interaction now. I ask you to take your car keys out your pocket. Yeah, open the door. Oh, no, that's a Lexus. That's not good. Push on the button. Yes, now we're talking. Yeah. Okay, open the door. Oh, that's very good. It's a wing door. Yeah. Okay, fellas, please sit in your Lamborghini, please. He's a little bit lower, eh, fellas? It's a very low car, yeah. It's good. And fellas, gentlemen, he had built in a radio system. So you heard him when he's coming from Maastricht, you heard him from very far away. There's fellas coming from and then you open the door, fellas. Close the door. That's good isolating, eh? Okay, fellas. It was, of course, a little bit a warming up because now it's going on. Fellas, I ask you to stand here. here on the dance floor and driving you reverse to that side, yeah, please. No, different, no, yeah. Yeah, okay, drive. You reverse. Very good, fellas. Because now it's the moment. Now it's the moment of oil, of gas oil. Fellas, I make the sound of a Lamborghini Diablo, and then it's your turn. Then you run with 200 miles to this side of the ship. That's nice, eh? And there is somebody with a photo camera. Als u nou hier komt staan als zo'n flitspaal. He's the speed control. Fellas, then you run back and we scream here, all together, gentlemen, all together. Whoa. Fellas, in a Lamborghini.